favourite songs are Bezos 1.
So the devil is a lie. Them other girls can't compete with mine. You do it so good, you fuck my mind. You pull it out, then you open wide. You make me want.
She got that rich girl, LA vibe. She with big good in her daddy's 95. Rough sex on the bedroom floor. Hop in the shower, she begging for more.
I'm not gonna kill your car or call your fucking mom. You should have paid my rent. Go get that fucking job.
Sweet like honey on a summer day. I'll stick with you through the wind and the rain. Sweet like honey on a summer night. Like a busy bee, take your flight. 2, 1, go. Sweet like a child. So please hurry, leave me. I can't breathe. Please don't say you love me.
Look at where you came from, look at you now. Zuckerberg and Gates and Buffett, amateurs can fucking suck it, green boy! CEO, entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos.
Son of a bitch! You piece of shit! You fucking goddamn fucker! Listen, fuckhead! You have fucking crossed the line! Get that through your goddamn fucking head!
The return of the— oh wait, no wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing you idiots, Dr. Dre's dead, he's locked in my basement. Feminist women love Eminem. Chicka 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 slim.
Girl, I must.
天空のライアーを手に入れたのは酔っ払い相手に歌を聴かせるためなのかよ。
It's really fucking selfish and really fucking lost, but someone loved me, someone fucking loved me, someone fucking loved me, and I fucking loved them too. God damn it, I was worth something, I fucking learned something, I had my cake.
It's crazy that they got all these tropical animals here though, because they got meerkats and then they've got giraffes.
I was excited to see a giraffe, and now I'm disappointed.
You are Elastigirl! Oh my god, pull yourself together!
Motherfucking run beanies, motherfucking run beanies, run beanies, run beanies. Fucking run beanie, motherfucking fucking run beanie.
Objects that I've shoved up my ass. Vibrators.
Yeah.
Dildos.
You got that one wrong.
Umbrella handle.
That was a good one. Go on.
Fingers.
It's him! You've broken my chair. My camera's not on a tripod. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Is he going to start spinning? Oh! You need to take a moment. Sit down, sit down. Ugh. Breathe. Do I need to come and resuscitate you?
I fucking love that roach.
In their tests, G.
My sister stole a pool noodle today from a shop by accident.
Yeah?
Oh, wow.
That's pretty illegal.
Yeah.
That's pretty f***ed up.
Yeah, I know.
See, Tubbo,
I know.
if we had it how I'd like it, she would be put right on the electric chair. But lucky for you.
Thank you, Julian Station!
I hate when people are wrong. No, I hate when people don't agree with me. Because I'm never wrong. Is that France flag?
Anyway, then we started the escape room, and nothing went wrong.
Thank you. Bye. So one of you fucks is a double agent.
If you like smoking weed, let me hear you say hell yeah! Gotcha. Get these motherfuckers.
fly solo.
We'll get bunk beds.
Bunk beds.
Best friends forever.
No thanks.
It'll be fun. You won't regret.
She's dancing with him, forgetting what she told me by the water fountain. Now he's grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear, and she knows that she should.
Am I going crazy? Would I even know? Am I right back where I started 14 years ago? Wanna guess the ending, if it ever does. I swear to God that all I've ever wanted was a little bit of everything, all of the time. A bit of everything, all of the time. Apathy's a tragedy and boredom is a crime. I'm finished playing and I'm staying inside.
The sky will be falling out of the sky.
Wilbur! Wilbur, shit! Time to make a video! I got 2 million views! Yeah!
It's not even a bit. That just scared the fuck out of me. What the fuck?
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit! Now come on!
Return of the. Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead, he's locked in my basement. Feminist women love him and them. Chicka, 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 Slim Shady. I'm sick of him. Look at him walking around rapping as you know.
Let the party begin. I will do something I never did to you, girl. I will tell you what I show you what I do, girl. Tell your friends you ain't coming down tonight. From your hair, girl, tie it up tonight.
You shouldn't mess with me. You don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family. You shouldn't mess with me. You don't wanna mess with me. Cause if you mess with me, you're messing with my family.
I can't handle that. Uncle, I can't. You can't. I can't read. I love these. Monogamy. Monogamy. Motorcycle. Freaking. What is that?
Hey, bestie. Hey!
I just killed a family of 5, now I'm an orphan.
She's living the dream. Yeah, she's living the dream from back when we were 17.
It's driving me out of my. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh. What I say? Run, run away, baby. Before I put my spell on you. Moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? Now jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 hey. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just. So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun.
So we're talking to some government guy, we give him a few forms of ID to prove that I'm the real Slim Shady, and everything seems to be going fine, but then he's like, alright sir, before I authorize this, I'm gonna have to ask you a few questions, and I'm like, oh god, questions. What kind of questions? Is he gonna quiz me on the 50 states and all their capitals? I wasn't prepared for this. Alright, ADHD. I know we haven't always gotten along, but please chill for the next few minutes so we can both get through this. Then he goes, oh, by the way, you should be aware that your answers will be made under threat of perjury, so any incorrect information can be brought against you in court. And I'm like, oh god, ADHD, please chill for the next 5 minutes. I don't want to go to prison. And my ADHD laughs. I will literally never chill, and my ADHD pushes itself to maximum overdrive as I suddenly become hyper aware of all my surroundings in a 1,000 feet radius, and my human senses are pushed to their absolute limits. Suddenly I can hear someone calling a number on the intercom, a child crying behind me on the other side of the room, a woman speaking Spanish. I hear the sound of a leaf hit in the ground 3 blocks away, and in the air I see individual subatomic particles float by. Okay, I lied about the last 2, but still, every single distraction possible is happening right now. And then he hands me a piece of paper and goes, "Alright, sir, is the information on this paper correct to the best of your knowledge?" And the paper just has, like, some personal details, like my name and phone number, but I'm certain it's a trap. I'm like, I'm gonna go like, yeah, it looks good, and he's gonna go, "Wrong! This semicolon should actually be a regular colon," and then Donald Trump's gonna teleport out of nowhere and revoke my US citizenship, because it's 2033, that's just how it works now. This is what happens when creative people have anxiety, okay? Leave me alone.
They say this sound fits every trio.
My friend.
I don't need your opinion. Do what I fucking want. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there.
I'm just a fucking kid, and I got a big ass head. I'm always crying, I'm Kai.
Red and yellow and green and brown and scarlet and black and poker and peach and ruby and olive and violet and fawn and lilac and gold and chocolate and mauve, cream and crimson and silver and rose, azure and lemon and russet and gray, purple and white and pink and orange and blue.
Go ahead and cry, don't you forget, 'cause that's what you get. That's what you get for being greedy.
Ain't a Nicki fan, then the bitch deaf dumb. You ain't my son, you my motherfucking stepson.
I don't know what the hell they look like. Bitch, I can't even spell it.
See him? Do you see the look on his eyes? God, it was cool. It was cool. I was about to say it was hot, but that would be wrong. Look, Tommy.
Have you, listen, before we keep going, you don't have a crush on Big Q, do you? Because that feels like...
Rough sex on the bed.
Don't you dare disobey me, Coraline! Ah! Ew!
Just killed Rat. Put a baseball bat against his head, swung my arms and now he's dead. Oh my god. Rat. Life had just begun. And now you have... Oh, sorry. Carl has killed the thing. Sorry. Carl. Why did you just kill Rat? If I didn't kill Rat today, you would kill him tomorrow. Come on, come on. As if that wasn't your intentions.
Dog goes, cat goes, meow. Yeah, bird goes, and mouse goes, cow goes, frog goes,
Ribbit.
the elephant goes,
1.5 inches, dream.
ducks it,
Quack, quack, quack.
and fish go,
Box like a fish.
and the seal goes,
No!
but there's one sound that no one knows.
What does the fox say?
Are you holding back your fondness due to his unmanly blondness?
Or the way he covers up any honest goods. He's just a bit of a fixer-upper. He's got a couple of bugs.
Hey man, has anyone seen my pliers? Or my tool belt? Or my square? Donde está my shit?
So that Dream SMP edition. Some more, Tommy. Dream or Technoblade. Quackity or Carl?
Nobody asked.
George or Sapnap?
I wanna see some ass.
Skeppy or Bad Boy Hello?
Diamonds, I'm searching for you.
Wilbur Mickey. Jack Manifold or Filson?
Did you get a whipper? Did you get a whipper?
Funny or Slack?
My, I think we have the spot.
Captain Puffy or Hannah Rose? Rainbow or Purple or Punch?
Killing people dying.
That's poggers. Oh, that's poggers. That's
dead.
That's not poggers.
Shut your mom! Shut your entire mom! Your entire mom is shut! Oh my god, your dog water!
Watch out!
Oh my god! Holy shit, holy shit! If I hear one more sussy backer!
Sex on the crafting table. Ah.
Are you human?
What?
Are you?
What does it... It depends. What does it mean to be human?
I don't know.
Me neither. Dap me up.
It's entirely possible that it's entirely possible that
Rambo, no. Rambo, no. Rambo, no.
I'm going home.
Rambo, no. Okay.
What was that? Son?
Firefox. 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 What the fuck happened?
5, 6, 7, 8. Be gone. Don't make us too strong. We get back.
Hey guys, this is my Vine. You may be asking yourself, why is it 8 seconds long? Don't ask questions.
2, 1, go.
Oh, this is pain. This is pain. This is pain. I am in Spain without the S right now, you know. Yeah, I am in... It's past your bedtime? It's past the time where I asked, okay? I can stream when I want to. Having such cool moments and then...
Hi, my name is Carla Shaw.
You good?
You can stop at 5 or 6 stores.
Okay, good.
Or
I crave validation from Twitter. That's right. Oh, I'm prepared. I have my bowl. Right here. Look at that. Prepared, boo. Hashtag, yeah. Oh my gosh, everything's Wah! Okay, okay. We're not adding the bag of spaghetti, but I really want to add the bag of spaghetti. But we're not going to add the bag of spaghetti.
They seem quite alike.
Tommy in it? I haven't been exiled.
How do you fucking know about that?
I just saw.
What?
I just saw.
You saw me in exile.
I saw it.
But you didn't... Were you there? Did you not help?
fucking know if it's a lie or it's a fact. All your little fake friends will sell your secrets for some cash. Smile in my face, then put your stick out on my back. If you ever see me, just get to running like the Flash. I know a boy just like you.
Break this bitch, this metal now. So I fucking up what's next.
Fucking on your bitch, she a whole thought. Yup. And a bitch eat a lot. She fuck me and suck me, she a thought.
Diamonds, I'm searching for you. The diamonds, I'm searching for you. Diamonds, I'm searching for you.
The bully busters, we eat straight rocks. If we catch you bullying, we'll knock off your socks. Yo, what's good? My name is Chester. Say a bad word and you're gone for the semester.
Hey, hello, my name's Wayne. Mess with my friends and you'll feel the pain.
What's up, my homies? The name is Jamie. Why be a goon when you can get more
Drug ass.
What do you guys do for fun around here? Oh no, sometimes we throw shit at Kevin. Who's Kevin?
Kevin!
One look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa, mamma mia. Fuck, here I go again.
You're in her bed, but I'm in her Twitch chat.
I got the key, but you've got the doormat.
But what color is your blood?
Hey, Steve.
That's strong! What face?
That's you, chat. You ready? This mushroom symbolizes you.
Boys! Now Chad is gonna say the line.
Good furry!
Hippity hoppity, get off my property.
We didn't start the fire! My fucking tree on fire! Scary car commercial. What's so scary about it?
What's your favourite monster flavour? I'll donate more money if I approve. There's flavours? I thought it was just the silver one and the black one. What? I didn't know there were more flavours.
What a shame, the poor groom's bride is a whore. I chime in